Hi, my name is Brianna Hersom. I'm from Altoona, Iowa, and I'm studying food and nutrition dietetics here at Northwest. Throughout my course here, having the hands-on experience has been huge for me. Being able to actually go out into the community, not only just Northwest, but being able to practice what I've been taught. One great thing about Northwest program is we provide just a variety of classes. This is the awesome thing about a dietetics major. You learn things from making muffins to like medical nutrition therapy, where you are looking at clients, doing case studies, writing notes. Northwest gave me confidence. Now that I'm on the front end of graduation, I'm ready to go out and practice what I've been taught.